Hello, I'm Beth, and today I have a quick little custom project to share with you. I was asked if I could paint a custom backplate for a viewer, Ted. He asked for a painting of the Loch Ness Monster for his Blythe doll, Amber, as this is an important part of her story. I thought this sounded like such a fun commission. I said yes, and he posted me her backplate. He did also send a spare faceplate and some lovely charms that he wasn't going to use himself. Brilliant. Well, thank you so much, Ted. I got to work on it right away. I began by wet sanding the backplate, preparing it for a few base coats of Mr. Super Clear sealant. I had a plan already for the painting and then sketched it out roughly using a white pencil. I then started building up the layers of paint. I used acrylics since they're waterproof once dry and layer well. It's funny, I had just been to Inverness, home of Loch Ness, right before this request came in. I'm afraid I haven't seen Nessie myself though. Maybe one day. I was so happy to be doing more painting too. I worked on 2 more custom dolls this week. One of them is my MIDI Blythe Looky Loo, and another is being saved for a special occasion. Here is my completed backplate painting for his Blythe doll, Amber. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, where I'll be sure to share photos of her once she's been reunited with the rest of her head. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!